Hi everyone. Today I will explain two important or three important array problems in Java. First is foursome problem and second is merge to sorted array without extra space. Both use sorting plus two pointers, which is very important for interviews. Okay, here is the foursome problem. In the foursome problem, we are given array and target value. We need to find all unique combinations of four whose sum equals to the target. Okay, first I sort the array. uh, why? Because sorting helps in use to pointer techniques, avoid duplicate answers and reduce the times complexity. Okay, I fix the first number using I loop, and second one is using J loop. Okay, after that I use two pointers left and right. Okay, here we have four element. For this, we add four element uh, in this statement. I add it and call it. This condition why I return it. Why? Because we have four elements. For this, if the number of elements is less than four, then return result. Okay, then now I calculate sum for four numbers. I use long to avoid integer overflow. Okay, then if sum is equals to target, if sum is equals to target, that time it store the answer. Else, if sum is equal less than target, that time move to the left. Else, move to the right. Okay, to avoid repeated answers, I skip duplicate using to avoid for this repeated answer avoidation. For this, I use while loop. In this, in here, this ensures only unique quadrate plates are added. Okay, then I run it. We got the final answer. Now I discuss about the merge sorted array. Okay, here I solve this problem. But in this problem, we merge two sorted array. Here is the one, and another one is here. Okay, without using extra space. Number one is already has extra space with zero. Here is here it mentioned it. Hold two elements of nums two. Okay, if we starting merging for beginning, values will be overwritten. So we start from the end of nums one. End of nums one. We compare the largest element of both arrays. The bigger element goes to the end of nums of I. The bigger element is goes to the nums of I. Works like a reverse merging. Here is the works like a reverse merging. If nums of I is greater than another element of j, then index here k. Suppose k is the index. K they move backward k element always always, as also the I element should be moved. If any elements remain nums 2, we copy them at the end and nums 1 becomes fully sorted. Here is the code. Here is the conditions. Here we use the void statement for this. Do not return any. Run it. We got the final answer. Okay. And recently I easy problem in the array. It is a remove an element. It is the no combinations. Okay, let's start it. We understand the problem. For this test places, here is the here is the array, and here is the value. We They give the array and value. If the value is 3, just we, because to write only two elements, skip the value of target. Okay, for this and return a count. Output is a count. Okay, so for this we initialize the count is 0, and here is initialize the length of array. Then we use a formal for loop, and moving forward, if array of I is not equal to the value, then to return क्या कर ले, count of array is equals to the number of array से compare कर ले, and that time count plus plus. When it is valid, then return count. Yeah, you see here, it is the answers and our complexity. Run it. It is also it show itself is accept it, submit. Okay. So today we learn how to sorting plus two pointers can solve complex problem efficiently. These patterns are extremely useful for coding interviews. Thank you. Thanks for the watching.